Hello, welcome guys. I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. And welcome to the C programming tutorial, and in this tutorial we will discuss about the C pointers. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any time. So let me first explain that what are the pointers in C language. So in C language, the pointers is a variable that stores the value of another variable. Okay, it means in C language, the pointer is a variable that stores the value of another variable. It means it is able to store the value of another variable by being also a variable, and it can be type of int, character, array, function, or any other pointer. Okay, and its size is depends on the architecture. However, in 32-bit architecture, the size of a pointer is 2 or 4 bytes. It may be 2 or 4. Okay, and in the 64-bit architecture, the size of a pointer is 8 bytes. So let as example, to store the value into the variable, another variable into the pointer. So here we have the integer a and its value is 10. So that is the pointer variable p. Okay, uh, okay. Second thing is that, wait, okay, great. Okay, a pointer can be also defined or declared with defined with this asterisk symbol. Okay, asterisk symbol, or and int asterisk p equal to and a. It means we will store the address or the value of the variable a into the variable p. Okay, so let me declare the pointer. Declaring pointer. So the pointer in C language is declared using asterisk symbol. Okay, here as I told you, with the sorry guys, asterisk symbol. Okay, and int pointer to integer. For pointer we can use for integer we can use pointer like that. For character we can use like that. So okay, let's write a program for understand it. Let's see the pointer example as explained for the pointer. So let's okay, let me first create a new file and close all these files. Go to the new file and name it to the pointer.c. That's great. So has include stdio.h and the int main. Great. Here we will put the variable int num equal to 20. Okay, so we have assigned the value of variable num is 20, and we will uh, sorry, we will save it or assign its address into the variable, sorry, pointer p. Okay, so now p equal to and okay, num. After that, it means we have assigned the value of variable num into the pointer p. Okay, after this we will use printf function and the okay slash n and the slash t. So address of, so the address of variable p is %x. Okay, and the after the slash n and print the variable p. Oh, okay, let me tell you what is in this line. So p contains the address of variable num. Okay, so after that printf and the slash n. Okay, and we make it slash t. After that the value. Okay, wait. The value of variable p is percentage d. Okay, and print the uh, pointer p and make it okay, and after that return 0. So now let's execute this program or run this. So now you can see the address of variable p is 61FEC8. That is the address where our value is stored in this location. Okay, and the value of variable p is 20. That is here we have put to the variable num. Okay, so that is the use of pointer and how to declare a pointer and hold the address of another variable into this or store the variable into the pointer. Okay, so I hope you understand this all, and if this video is helpful for you, so please guys like this video and also subscribe my channel. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.